All right, you are highly welcome. This is Samuel Utrading again once more. Today I'm going to talk about how to use Utrading signal perfectly. How to use Utrading signal perfectly. Some of you has been asking a question, how am I using this Utrading signal to make money on a daily basis? In this video, I want you to do well and watch it to the end. I'll show you how to use it and how to maximize your profit on a daily basis. If you never subscribe to this channel, please try to subscribe to this channel because I go live on a daily basis. There's never a day that I don't go live. You can go to my live section video and watch that one. I go live every day and I talk about cryptocurrency here. So I want you to do well and subscribe to this channel, like it and share the video with your friends and family. I mostly talk about Utrading here and some other cryptocurrency aspects. So I want you to do well and watch it to the end. How to trade signal. Number one, you come here, you click signal. After you come here, you arrive in this page, put it to signal. Once you put it to signal, you have seen the signal that is already going on now. As you can see, you will see spot and you will see future signal. You will see short and long under future. So you will wait for the one that they will tell you just push, the one that they just push. You can be able to trade that one. And even this one too, you can also trade it. How are you going to trade it? Don't launch it automatic. There are two ways to trade here. When you launch this thing automatic, you may fall into trouble. That is why I don't advise people to launch it automatic, because sometimes their mass order is not one. They make their mass order to be 2 or 3. Most of the time, their mass order is 3. So if you are trading with just low capital, it may affect you. You may enter problem. Everything you are seeing me saying is something that I have test run it. It's something that I have test run it. So if you want to come out spot out of it, you click here. You remove spot. If you want to trade only long, you come out short. Then all the signal here now is going to show long, 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 long. Then if you put it to short and long, the secret I want to show you, if you begin to see long, 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 as you can see, long, 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 long. If the robots start to showcase long, long trade, that's showing that the market is going up. Can you see long, long, long? Can you see it? About 30 minutes ago, the market is going up. It's showing long, 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 long. Can you see it? It's showing long, long. 30 minutes ago, it's showing long. Can you see? So now to trade those trades now in a perfect way, all those 30 minutes ago that you are seeing, what will you do? You take one trade from here, like a GRT. As you can see, GRT. Then you now head over to the manual section. If you come to the manual section, then you will not use any strategies of your choice here. Any strategy. We have different type of strategies here. Let's say we are using this one, GRT. Let's see. All right, GRT. Now the robot say long. Are we going to trade long again? No, we are going to trade short here. You confirm it. You confirm it because it's about 30 minutes ago. Confirm it like this. You put it to short. You put it to short. Then your leverage. You put your leverage. You can put your leverage to all, depending how you want it to be. Understand? Then you save it. Then you do the remaining setting. If you want me to help you with how to run the setting, I'll put my phone number in the description of this video. You can reach out to me. So now you will go for short. You will not go for long this time around. That is what I'm about to say here. That's the secret I want to review to you here. The one that you are seeing that has already 30 minutes, you put it to short. Don't trade long again. Are you getting what I'm saying? All this flock, put it to short. Can I put it to short? So after you have short them, put it to like 0.5 or 6% take profit. Then after you have done all the proper setting, maybe your team leader will teach you how to do the setting. Each and every one of you know how to do the setting already. So you do the proper setting, the real setting. After you have done the real setting, you launch it. So that is how to make use of this signal. Then the one the right, just push. Just push. That means that one is going up at that time. Then you can decide to short it if it is under short, and if it is under long, you can decide to long it at that point of time, and it's going to go well for you. But don't launch it direct from here. So that is the only thing I want you to understand. Then another way to trace signal is by head over to this place. You head over to this place, the right setting, you click setting. We have spot and we have future. Then you click here, you click what you call future. Once you click this future, then you do what? This place like this. This leverage. You can leave your leverage to 3, follow future, then you make it like this. It will be automatically turned on. But I don't like it. I'll turn it off because I don't trade signal. I trade manual. Then your default is going to be $9. You can increase it to this place. Sorry, you cannot go beyond 10 because of your rank. If you are in CVIP 2, this is where you can go from $0 to $10. That is the default. That is the default. That is TVIP 1. Then TVIP 2 from $20 to $40. So that is how they set it. Then the leverage, you can put it to 3. You can put it to 3. All right. The maximum you can go for leverage is 3 as a TVIP 1. But in TVIP 2, you can have 5. So guys, that is how it works. After you have done this, then you launch it. You launch it. Then after you launch it, what are you going to do? Listen carefully. After you save it like this, this robot is going to open a trade for you automatic. Take note of that. It's going to open a trade for you automatic. And with what we are seeing, it's going to open minimum. Let me do it like this so that you see something more. Now, it's going to open, look at it, follow time. It's going to open like 4 times. If you open a trade for you 4 times, it will close. Then follow limit. Follow limit means it's going to open 1 to 5 coins for you. So you can have 5 trades running at a time. At a time. As a TVIP 1, you can't have more than 5. So this robot is going to open automatic trade for you. 5 trades running at a time. I want you to understand that. So that is how it works. And if you put it to 1, this robot will launch. Immediately they bring any signal now. Any signal that comes, this robot will automatically launch 1 trade for you. It will not launch more than 1 trade. And if you put it to 3, immediately they bring any signal, this robot is going to launch 3 or 4 trade. If you put it to 4, it will launch 4. If you tip it to 5, it will launch 5. If you put it to 3, it will launch 2, 3 for you. Automatic. Automatic, without you doing anything. But guys, let me show you one secret again that you need to understand. Once it launch it for you, it is advisable for you to go and modify it. So to know how to modify it, you need to call my phone number that is shown on the description of this video, or chat me on WhatsApp to guide you on how to modify it. So guys, that is all I want to showcase to you today. So once the signal come, this is signal. Once the signal come under future, the robot is going to automatically open for you. Okay, for instance, if I have already set it to open 4 coins, once the signal, this signal that you are seeing, it will have already opened it for me automatic, even if I'm sleeping. So guys, that is how the thing works. To know more about this, kindly call the number that is shown in the description of this video, and I'm going to guide you step by step. Thank you so much and welcome. I will show you the requirement. If you want to join my team, kindly call that number also, and I'll show you the requirements for you to join my team. Even if you have already buy you gas from another person, that is not the problem. You just meet, once you meet up with the requirement, then you just join my team automatic and start using that you gas that you buy from another person. And if you never register at all and buy you gas, I advise you to register with my link so that I can guide you and hold you step by step. Thank you so much and welcome. See you again in another video. Thank you. And one more thing, you may ask, oh, this guy that is talking, is he really make money from this business? The answer is yes. When I come here and I click home, once I click home and arrive in this page, I put it to profit, you will see what this small account have already generated. As you can see, I did not trade yesterday. I trade on 16 and I trade on 17. On 16, I make $73 and on 17, I make $35. As you can see there, I did not trade on Sunday. This robot trade on Sunday, but I did not trade on Sunday because of my Sunday activities is too high for me from this program to this program, so I couldn't trade. And today I never open any trade because I trade manual and I do serious scalping on a daily basis. So thank you so much and welcome. See you in another video. Thank you.